Let's go, guys. It's Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing now is I've got a Lexus Is220 diesel 2.2 litre petrol. We're going to go ahead and replace the water pump. It's a 2.2 litre diesel Is220 2006 plate Lexus. Let's go ahead, let's replace the water pump. Let's go. Okay, the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this cover off here. These cover off on the side. I mean, you're going to have clips on yours, but mine's cable tied on. I haven't even got clips on there or anything like that. So I'm just going to pull my, pull these off wherever I can. And basically just go from there, cut that cable tie off. But you will have little clips there, push on clips, just flick them off. And then, yeah, just take these covers off, all three covers, take them off and we'll go from there. Okay, I've took the covers off. What we're going to do is we're going to take this air flow pipe off, the air intake pipe. Take that off. We should have two basically, but it's only got the one. So we'll take that off, move that out of the way. The next thing what we will do is, I mean, if you want, you can go ahead and take this off as well. It pulls off. You don't have to, but gives us a bit more room. You can see everything easy. What we'll do now is we'll take the expansion bottle off, or at least move it to a side. So 10 milli bolts, this one and this one, take them off. You might need to take this clip off here, this pipe off here, and just move it to a side. You don't need to take it out, move it out completely, but I would say, if it's easy, just take it off. What I'm just going to do is I'm going to take these two off first. This one and this one, and see if it moves out of the way. Okay, I've moved the expansion bottle out of the way. I mean, if I wanted to, I could take it totally off. I did have to take that little pipe off there. I mean, not the hardest thing in the world. Just get the pliers, take that off, move that out of the way. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the fan belt off, the auxiliary belt off. So, best thing to do before you take it off, just take a picture of it, so you know which way it goes on, which way you have to put it back on and everything. So, I'm taking a video, as you can see, or do a diagram on it. But what I'll do is I'll do a still on that just there, so you can see which way it goes on, and I'll leave it in. Well, that's the way it goes on the fan belt. So we're going to take it off. To take it off, all we do is slacken the tensioner here. Okay, I think it's a 21. Just 1 minute. Right, there we have it, guys. As you can see there, I've took the belt off. To get the belt off is absolutely dead easy. All you do is you get the spanner on there. I've got a 7/8 spanner on there. You can get 22 mil. It'll do the job exactly the same. Get it on there, anti-clockwise, counterclockwise, slacken the tensioner, and take the belt off. Obviously, I couldn't do it because I couldn't show you guys because I need to hold the camera and basically slacken it with one hand, take the belt off with the other hand. So yeah, the belt is off. What we're going to do now is we're going to take this roller off here. It'll give us a little bit more space, then we can gain access to the top bolt and everything. Dead easy. That's a 14 mil. Let's take that off. We'll go from there. Right then, guys, as you can see there, we can see the water pump clearly. It's been leaking. That's the reason why I'm replacing it. There we go. Absolutely, you can gain access to it, no problem whatsoever. We're going to take these bolts off here, 12 milli bolts, one here, another one there, another one there, another one there. There'll be a few underneath as well, as you can see there, one there. There'll be another one, I'm pretty sure, directly under there. See if I can get the camera in there. Yep, another one there, and another one there. Okay, so two underneath. Okay, so basically you got one there, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then maybe 7. Yeah, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 bolts, 12 milli bolts. Let's take them off, and hopefully water pump should come off. Let's go. Okay guys, I've got all the bolts off, all the bolts are off and everything. We're going to get a little pry bar or a flat screwdriver, whatever you've got, or a pry bar. Just do that. There we go. Water pump comes off. I'm going to wait till everything comes out. What we'll do is we'll take the rubber seal off. There's a rubber seal in there. We'll take the rubber seal off, clean the surface up. We'll get the new rubber seal on and refit it in reverse order. Let's go. Right, I've got the seal off. As for cleaning it up, just take, somebody's put a bit of silicone sealant on there, or some kind of sealer on there. You shouldn't really put any sealer on. I mean, you can put a little bit on just to hold the rubber O-ring in place, but you don't really have to. But it's a good idea actually, just to put a little bit on, just to hold it in place. Right, the thing is, you don't really need to clean it that much, okay? Just get all the sealer off. You don't need to really sand it down or everything because it's got an O-ring on it, so it should be okay. So yeah, I'm going to clean it up, clean the sealer off it, all this red stuff as you can see there, get all that off it, and hopefully get the new seal on, new water pump on, and yeah, refit it. Guys, as you can see there, I've cleaned everything up best I can. I've got the new seal on there as well. I put a little bit of sealant on there, like I mentioned, just to hold it in place on the inside, just a little bit of sealant, just to hold it basically. If you don't want to put any on, and you just want to put the seal on, the rubber seal on, you can do that, but it might slide off when you put in the water pump on. You know, let's get the water pump on, and yeah, let's get the bolts on, tighten up on the bolts, let's go. Okay guys, as you can see there, I've got all the bolts on there. One there, all 7 bolts, another one there, as you can see there, 2 there, all of them on, not tight, just finger tight kind of thing. I'm going to tighten up on them. If you want the correct torque setting and everything, just check on auto data. I just go off, you know, feel. I just tighten it up, you know, tight as I can. If you want to go all professional, just go on auto data and check the torque settings. That way, you know, you're good to go. But me, I'm just going to go ahead, tighten them up, and then yeah, put the belt on, put everything on reverse order, get some coolant in there. Yeah, let's go. I've got all the coolant in the car's running, as you can see here. Just for one thing, I forgot to mention before I close the video up and everything, there's a little bleed screw on the top here, right on the top of the radiator. So make sure you put the coolant in there, make sure it comes out through there as well, then lock it up. I'll show you guys. There we go, that one there. Undo that, fill it up with the coolant here. It should come out through there, then lock that up, top that up, leave it running, let the fan kick in. Happy days, job done. Okay guys, as you can see here, I've got everything back on, all in reverse order, dead easy. The fan belt's back on, that pulley's back on, the alternator, the auxiliary belt's back on, expansion bottles on, pipes on there, the air intake pipe, that's on as well. I'm going to put some coolant in it. This one takes blue antifreeze, so I'm going to get some blue antifreeze in there, run it to temperature, make sure the heater's working, everything. That's about it. That's it. Let's see if everything goes all right. We'll check it for leaks, and yeah, happy days. So there we have it guys, all done and dusted. I've got the coolant in there. I'm going to run it to temperature like I mentioned. These covers, I'm not going to show you how to put the covers on. Just put all the covers back on in reverse order. I haven't got no clips, but you will have clips on yours. I'm just going to cable tie mine on, and that's it. Run it to temperature. That's it. I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Trying my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.